It's true that we are witnessing a technological boom. We live in a time when AI is finding widespread acceptance like never before. Everywhere you look, there seems to be an AI software, app, or API being launched. It's almost like second nature, transforming the way we work, communicate, and entertain ourselves. Welcome to BlockLink.Digital, where we usher you into the exciting world of tech and digital innovations. Today's video explores the delicate balance between artificial intelligence and privacy. Our objective is to explore the complexities of AI, unmask the challenges with this technology, and discuss possible solutions that can help maintain a balance between innovation and data protection. The promise of AI. First things first, let's talk about the promise of AI. It's unbelievable how far we have come in the last decade. Some of the AI systems we are witnessing today look like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, and we love every bit of it. From the healthcare sector to the transport industry, down to our daily personal assistants, AI is everywhere around us. If you have been fortunate enough to explore a few AI systems, you'll agree that it makes us more productive. Imagine firing up Siri or Alexa with just your voice and asking it to play your favorite songs or provide details on the weather conditions. Well, that's just the tip of the iceberg of how AI is shaping our lives and making it easy. And it isn't just personal assistants like Siri and Alexa that are showing us the incredible potential of AI. Before we continue, here's something that might interest you.
Ever been curious about blockchain, AI, and cybersecurity? Welcome to BlockLink.Digital, where tech becomes simple. Discover hundreds of articles and videos that keep you ahead. Join thousands of tech enthusiasts and subscribe to our weekly newsletter. Never miss a beat of the future. Sign up, it's free. Don't get left behind in the tech revolution. www.blocklink.digital. Dive into tomorrow, today.
Now, back to the video. There are also those powerful fitness tracking devices that are helping us to make better lifestyle choices. Using the power of AI, these devices can seamlessly track our heart rate, analyze our workouts, and do much more than we can imagine. And it doesn't end there. We are now in an era where we are experiencing the auto industry transform before our eyes. Much of the conversations in the auto industry today is centered around building autonomous vehicles, powered by sophisticated AI systems. Imagine sitting comfortably in your dream car and watching it drive you around without requiring your input. Sounds surreal, right? Well, that world is here with Tesla and other leading car brands building self-driving cars. But amidst these jaw-dropping innovations, concerns about privacy are beginning to echo. Given AI's incredible potential to collect, process, and analyze data, there are now talks about using AI responsibly. Let's ask ourselves this critical question. Are we willing to give up our privacy for the insane benefits that AI offers? How do we strike a balance between pushing the boundaries of innovations and protecting our personal information? We know these are difficult choices to make. On the one hand, we have access to some of the most remarkable technologies with the potential to make our lives better. But on the flip side, we can't pretend these innovations don't pose a significant risk to our personal information and privacy. Whenever we interact with an AI software, app, or API, we leave behind massive data footprints. This data is like food to AI, as it helps it to learn, innovate, adapt, and make better decisions. Now, the million-dollar question is, where does our privacy fit into this picture? That's where the problem lies. Understanding privacy in the AI era. As the AI revolution continues, there is a need to understand how our privacy is being impacted. While we could take our privacy for granted a few years ago, it's a different ballgame today. With AI becoming almost like a second nature, our data is being collected and used in ways we never thought possible. Artificial intelligence systems are now being developed to monitor our lives, track our movement, and even used to analyze our facial expressions. If this isn't scary, we don't know what else is. Given the risks that AI systems pose, especially as it pertains to our privacy, there is a need to address these privacy concerns. Imagine the possibility of AI systems discriminating against us using our data. Or what if our data was used to create deepfakes that could damage our reputation? Scary, right? Well, that could be our reality soon if nothing is done to balance innovation and data protection. The dilemma of data collection. Without mincing words, AI systems are hungry and always searching for data. So, they often leverage our personal information to learn and evolve. While this may not sound like a big deal, where things get a little scary is the fact that this information comes from us. Every visit to a site, every click of our mouse, and every search we make on the internet leaves behind a trail of digital information that AI continues to exploit. Have you ever stopped to wonder what happens to all the personal information we unknowingly share online? Here is the catch. Every conversation we have online and every website we visit leaves behind an insane amount of information. This information allows AI to furnish us with personalized recommendations, targeted advertisements, and, of course, a seamless experience, which doesn't seem bad. But behind the veil, we are worried about the potential invasion of our privacy and the subtle manipulation of our data. The dilemma of data collection lies in finding a balance between convenience and surveillance. We must begin to have honest conversations about these things. Is it honestly worth it to give up our privacy for the promise of a unique and tailored experience? We must understand that our fraternization with AI, though filled with a lot of promise, poses a serious threat to our privacy. We must be aware of these risks and decide if it is worth taking. Striking a balance. Innovating responsibly. As we continue to navigate the AI ecosystem and appreciate its potential to make our lives easy, there is a need to strike a balance between innovation and responsible practice. It's true that innovation is the engine room that drives progress. It unlocks new possibilities and gives us a glimpse of the future. But as the saying goes, with great power comes great responsibilities. While we embrace the amazing potential that AI promises, we must demand that these technological innovations are grounded in ethical principles, especially as it pertains to user privacy. Is it possible to build AI systems that respect user privacy without stifling innovations? We absolutely think it is possible, but it would require serious commitment from all parties involved. We want a world where innovation thrives while respecting our privacy. To innovate responsibly, companies must be transparent and accountable. Companies building AI systems must be honest about their data collection practice and how they use AI. For us to fully embrace AI and its powerful potential, we must have a clear understanding of what's happening behind the scenes. Knowing this will help us make informed decisions. As AI continues to explode and find acceptance, it's crucial for companies in this industry to be completely honest and accountable. Measures should be implemented to ensure that artificial intelligence systems are designed, deployed, and used responsibly. Government must play its role in ensuring that both users and creators of AI are held accountable for the potential impact this technology has, especially as it pertains to our privacy. Finally, we need to understand the power we have over AI systems. As powerful as AI might seem, it is limited based on how much information it can access. By controlling our personal information and how it is used, we can manage some of the privacy issues associated with AI. Also, there is a need for the development of robust privacy settings to curb some of the challenges that AI poses to our privacy. There's no denying that AI has the potential to revolutionize and transform our world. With the deployment of AI systems across several industries, including healthcare industries, the automobile sectors and more, tasks that could have taken months to complete can now be executed with just a click of a button. But in the midst of all the euphoria lies the concerns about privacy. As AI becomes more prevalent, we must find a way to use it responsibly, without infringing on our privacy. For this to happen, there must be transparency and accountability from all players involved.